Silhouetted against the canvas of stars above, I stand on the periphery of mankind's greatest spectacle, the liftoff, illuminated by science and clothed in rockets' roar. This forenoon, we are ready to transgress the surly grip of Earth's gravity once more, impelled by the power of numbers, programming, and the forbidden algorithms that lie betwixt notepads and consoles. As the countdown echoes in my helmet and the whispers of the forbidden algorithms morph into screams, it dawns on me. The algorithms, the calculations, each intricate blueprint of rocket science is a part of an elaborate screen, a smokescreen to be precise. Behind the thrill of space travel, a chilling conspiracy unfolds, transmitting human consciousness into coded matrices, ferrying them away into an untraceable abyss, wrapped in the mask of exploration. The realization jolts me. This launch is not a boundary-pushing expedition, but the cage of an ethereal zookeeper, waiting to entrap human minds in the complex labyrinth of encoded reality. With the last seconds ticking down, amidst the electric,